The idea of the Bermuda Triangle did not appear overnight. Strange tales came from sailors for many years. They spoke of odd events in this patch of ocean. These were often dismissed as mere seafaring yarns, yet the stories persisted through generations. Whispers of lost ships and confusing compasses grew. The term Bermuda Triangle was first coined much later. Vincent Gaddis used it in a 1964 magazine article. Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico were the points. This area, he suggested, was uniquely perilous. Gaddis listed many unexplained disappearances within it. His article captured the public's imagination strongly. It gave a name to an already brewing legend. One of the earliest recorded incidents often cited is the disappearance of the. This French ship was found abandoned in 1840. Her sails were set and cargo was intact. Yet the entire crew was missing from the vessel. There were no signs of struggle or obvious disaster. It was as if they had simply vanished into thin air. Such stories fueled the growing unease about the region. Before Gaddis, others noted strange patterns. George X. Sand wrote about it in 1952. The Bermuda Triangle was born from these tales. The Bermuda Triangle is not an official geographical name. It is a loosely defined area in the Atlantic Ocean. Its supposed corners are near Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico. The exact boundaries can vary depending on the writer. This lack of precision adds to its mystique. It is a place more of legend than of cartography. The ocean itself does not recognize these imaginary lines. This region of the western North Atlantic is vast. It covers roughly 500,000 square miles of ocean. Some estimates make it even larger than that. The waters here are incredibly deep in places. The Puerto Rico Trench is nearly 28,000 feet deep. It is a busy shipping route for many vessels. Countless planes also fly over this expanse daily. The area experiences unpredictable and severe weather. Hurricanes and sudden squalls are quite common here. The name Devil's Triangle is sometimes used. This alternative name emphasizes its dangerous reputation. It suggests a place where evil forces might lurk, or where natural laws seem to bend or break. The story behind the mystery is complex. It is built upon numerous reported disappearances. The disappearance of Flight 19 is perhaps the most famous triangle case. It happened on December 5, 1945. 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers took off. They left Fort Lauderdale, Florida for a routine drill. The mission was a simple navigation exercise. 14 experienced airmen were on board the planes. The weather was clear when they initially departed. Nothing seemed out of the ordinary that afternoon. A few hours into the flight, problems began. The flight leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, reported issues. He said his compasses were not working correctly. He believed they were lost, unsure of their position. Radio transmissions became increasingly confused and faint. Other crew members sounded disoriented in the recordings. The Navy tried to guide them back to shore. But their efforts proved to be entirely futile. As fuel ran low, Taylor made a fateful decision. He reportedly instructed his pilots to ditch their planes together. Then, all radio contact with Flight 19 was lost. The 5 bombers and their 14 crewmen vanished. A massive air and sea search was launched immediately. They found absolutely nothing, no sign of the Avengers. Long before Flight 19, there was the USS Cyclops. This colossal U.S. Navy collier ship vanished in March 1918. She was a truly massive vessel for her time. Over 540 feet long, she carried thousands of tons of cargo. The ship was last sighted near Barbados, then she sailed into oblivion, never to be seen again. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops is profoundly puzzling. Many theories have been proposed over the decades. The loss of the USS Cyclops remains a significant maritime mystery. Many scientists believe natural phenomena explain the triangle's mysteries. They argue there is nothing supernatural at play here. One prominent theory involves methane hydrates. These are large deposits of methane gas trapped in ice crystals. They can be found on the seabed in certain areas. If these deposits rupture, they release vast amounts of gas. This gas can bubble up to the surface. It could reduce the water's density significantly. A ship caught in such an area could lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. Extreme weather is another common explanation. The Bermuda Triangle region is known for violent storms. Hurricanes can form quickly and unexpectedly here. These powerful storms generate massive waves and strong winds. Even large modern ships can be vulnerable to them. Sudden squalls and waterspouts are also frequent. These localized weather events can catch pilots and sailors off guard. The Gulf Stream current is a powerful force in this region. It is like a massive river flowing within the ocean. Its currents are swift and can be unpredictable. The Gulf Stream can quickly carry debris far from a wreck site. This would make finding wreckage extremely difficult. Natural explanations offer plausible, if less exciting, answers. Section 6. Beyond our Ken's strange and unconventional ideas. While science offers logical answers, some theories are more unusual. These unconventional ideas capture the public imagination. They speak to our fascination with the unknown. One popular theory involves unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. Some believe alien spacecraft abduct ships and planes. Proponents point to strange lights seen by witnesses, or they cite the completeness of some disappearances. No wreckage, no bodies, just gone without a trace. This fuels speculation about extraterrestrial intervention. Another intriguing idea links the triangle to Atlantis. This is the legendary lost city, supposedly sunk beneath the waves. Some theorists suggest Atlantis had advanced technology. Perhaps remnants of this technology still exist on the seabed. These ancient devices might interfere with modern craft. They could create energy fields or navigational disruptions. Edgar Cayce, a famous psychic, predicted Atlantis would be found near Bimini. Bimini is an island chain within the Bermuda Triangle. The concept of time warps or dimensional portals is also discussed. Could the Bermuda Triangle be a gateway to another dimension? These speculative theories are, of course, highly controversial. Section 7. The human factor: errors, deceptions, and tall tales. Not all disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle are deeply mysterious. Many can be attributed to simple human error. Pilots and ship captains can make mistakes. Navigational errors, especially in past decades, were possible. Flying or sailing into bad weather due to poor judgment, misreading charts, or miscalculating fuel needs. These are common causes of accidents worldwide. The Triangle is a busy area for traffic. Statistically, more traffic can mean more incidents. Mechanical failure is another significant factor to consider. Aircraft engines can fail, ships can suffer structural damage. Poor maintenance can lead to critical system breakdowns. In some historical cases, vessels were overloaded, or they were not seaworthy for the conditions encountered. A sudden catastrophic failure could leave little time for a distress call. The vastness of the ocean then makes finding wreckage hard. Deliberate actions might also account for some disappearances. Insurance fraud has been suspected in a few cases. Scuttling a ship to claim insurance money is not unheard of. Piracy, though less common now, was once a real threat. Some individuals might have chosen to disappear intentionally. The human element is always complex and unpredictable. Section 8. The Triangle in modern times. Has the mystery faded? With today's advanced technology, has the Triangle lost its teeth? Modern ships and aircraft are equipped with sophisticated systems. GPS provides precise location data globally. Radar can detect severe weather from far away. Communication systems are more reliable than ever before. Emergency locator beacons can transmit distress signals automatically. These advancements have undoubtedly made sea and air travel safer. Many potential disasters can now be averted. Or, if they occur, rescue efforts are more effective. Statistically, the Bermuda Triangle is not exceptionally dangerous. Lloyd's of London, a major insurer, does not charge higher rates. They do not consider it more perilous than other ocean areas. Many studies have compared accident rates. They often find the Triangle has a similar number of incidents. This is relative to the volume of traffic it handles. Given it's a busy corridor, some accidents are inevitable, but the proportion may not be unusually high. Despite debunking efforts, fascination with the Triangle persists. The stories are deeply ingrained in popular culture. Books, documentaries, and films continue to explore it. The allure of an unsolved mystery is powerful. People are drawn to the idea of the unknown. Section 9. The Unanswered Echo: Secrets the Ocean Keeps. The Bermuda Triangle continues to intrigue and mystify. Decades of investigation have offered many explanations. Science points to natural forces and human fallibility. Yet, a core of unexplained events remains stubbornly lodged. These are the stories that fuel the enduring legend, the tales of ships and planes swallowed by the sea, leaving behind only questions and bewildered silence. The complete absence of wreckage in some key cases is haunting. It defies easy answers and tidy conclusions. The psychological appeal of such enigmas is undeniable. We are drawn to puzzles that challenge our understanding. Mysteries like the Bermuda Triangle tap into deep-seated fears, the fear of the unknown, of forces beyond our control. They also ignite our curiosity and sense of adventure, the desire to explore, to discover, to solve. The triangle is a canvas for our imagination. We project our hopes and anxieties onto its waters. It is a story that evolves with each generation. If you like this content, like and subscribe Paradoxica,